So moving on to the global diversification efforts, even though many countries, industries, or even many manufacturers are working very hard to reduce their dependencies on China, the result actually differs among themselves. The results are based on different strategies. What are the different strategies that they are actually implementing, and what is the level of development, or how quickly they can show the results? And also, it also depends on how much impact they will actually create in the market. But the actual reality is that the buyers or even the suppliers can't afford to wait, because in order to build the new supply sources, it will take years to materialize. But the buyers or even the organization needs to react right now, and it can be done to different ways. Like some of the ways are through smarter contracting, or qualifying more suppliers, or by even carrying the right level of inventories. And it is also important to closely track the geopolitical risk that is currently happening at the market. So in short words, diversification is currently underway, but the changes are expected to take time, because China still controls most parts of the supply chain.